Email marketing for beginners. You must balance strategy and execution if you want to create a strong email marketing campaign under certain deadlines. As a beginner, the following guidelines are important for you as you get started with email marketing. Setting up easy to edit and simple email design, aligning stakeholders, particularly on the goals of your campaigns on email marketing, editing, writing, and formatting of email copies, setting up unsubscribe groups, a decision about the optimal send time for the email marketing campaigns, measurement of your recipient engagement, and other important metrics. Learning about the creation of a successful email campaign seems like many steps you need to remember, but once you become comfortable with workflow and processes, the next email marketing campaign comes naturally. Email marketing. Do you think people still trust emails when it comes to marketing? And do you believe email marketing remains valuable, or if the decade-old strategy is an effective marketing technique? All these questions can only be answered in the affirmative yes. Email marketing is an important marketing channel, particularly amongst SEO, SEM, and affiliate marketing among others. As a digital marketer, you need to not take chances by ignoring a tool as valuable as email marketing. Email marketing delivers effective messages in order to convert leads into sales by sending the targeted customers personalized emails. Also, email marketing helps in educating target customers about the value of your product. Email marketing has many advantages, including cost being lesser compared to other marketing channels, showing higher return on investment (ROI), helping attract new customers, easily integrating with various communication channels, and helping create personalized and targeted messages. Additionally, email marketing helps higher intent clients engage with your business and assist reach larger audiences and smaller targeted lists. Full control. Beginners should learn the art of having full control over their email marketing communication. They should achieve this by designing their assets such as emails, forms, and landing pages. Again, they need to design the type of email marketing campaigns they should run or segment the email list for clear targeting, tagging their contacts to attain enhanced personalization, and establish email automation workflow to help deliver better and targeted emails at an optimal time. As a beginner, what you cannot control is the issue of email deliverability, but following the best practices on email marketing and engaging your audience better ensures you do not get stressed over missed emails in the targeted inbox. In comparison to other types of digital channels in which their organic reach depends largely on the ever-changing algorithm, email marketing offers beginners a better chance of reaching their audience in the marketing communications. Preferred marketing medium. Studies have shown that most people today prefer being contacted and receiving offers through email compared to other channels. These results make sense for beginners because marketing emails that are well designed are considered non-intrusive and relevant. Emails stay in inbox while the recipients are left to decide about the appropriate time they need to open or read the emails. And in a couple of clicks, they can unsubscribe if they are no longer interested in the content. Additionally, through an email platform, a beginner can easily reach users of mobile devices. The percentage of email opens through mobile devices is growing fast. Recent reports indicate desktop opens today stand at 45.69% of all open emails, with mobile opens at about 34.31%, and webmail opens stand at 20%. For beginners, the open statistics means it's possible to reach their customers and even influence their purchasing decisions. Again, you can easily integrate your offline and online marketing, for example, through a collection of email addresses in events or while doing shopping at physical locations. Personalization. This is a strategy in which you create more engagement as you target your email campaign to a particular audience. A beginner can optimize this strategy by addressing their emails to a person's name and leveraging behavioral and demographic data currently available about the readers. As a beginner, there is a need to set up automated behavioral trigger emails geared at converting readers to subscribers. Hence, beginners need to recognize that personalized emails are 2.5 times likely to be opened and 6 times more likely to drive conversions. Moreover, beginners should segment their email list to ensure high open and click-through rates. Essentially, email list segmentation is a simple process when done rightly, and in case of an email marketing beginner is willing to make some effort, they need to know about geographic segmentation. Through this particular segmentation, a beginner can target their audience in line with their geographical areas like country, state, city, or continent. Demographic segmentation. Here you segment your audience based on education, age, income, occupation, gender, nationality, and more. Behavioral segmentation. It segments the target audience according to their behaviors and decision-making patterns. For example, online activity, purchase, and search history, among others. Full automation. Beginners should adopt marketing automation to build custom workflows for their campaigns. To easily create an automated email campaign, a beginner can use drag and drop editor in programming their communications flow within the available actions, conditions, or filters. Ideally, email marketing brings in a higher return on investment (ROI) of all online channels. Beginners who run and consequently measure their email marketing activity using the right ways realize it's a proven source of revenue for their business. The best email providers. In theory, a beginner can perform all individual activities such as setting up their sign-up forms, design templates, segmentation of their audience, and send their emails by themselves without the use of email marketing service providers. However, the entire process is both time and resource consuming. Again, there are several technical issues in email marketing that beginners might not know. They include designing email templates, managing bounces, and spam complaints. Nevertheless, the most popular services of email marketing are packaged with effective tools plus teams composed of in-house professionals to assist in launching marketing emails with confidence and ease. Beginners should comply with email regulations so that they can stay away from the spam folders. Further, unengaged subscribers should be removed from the list. You should send your marketing campaign after doing reviews and tests. The more a beginner continues to gain hands-on experience in building their email marketing campaigns, the more efficient they become. At first, it could be overwhelming, but following these guidelines will ensure your campaigns are successful. Do not be afraid of trying new things, pushing creative boundaries, and testing your assumptions.